If you own a home in Crestmoor or Hilltop, 2025 wasn't just a slow year, it was a wake-up call. We moved from a market of frenzy to a market of scrutiny.
We saw prices adjust, leverage shift, and savvy buyers pause. But what does the data actually say? We are breaking down the 3 trends that defined our neighborhoods in 2025. And more importantly, our 3 predictions for 2026. Zac, that's scary.
Well, trend number 1 might surprise you. Let's look at the numbers.
Trend 1, the price correction. For the first time in years, average sales price in Crestmoor and Hilltop didn't just flatten, they dropped. We saw a 2.45% decrease, moving from an average of $2.3 million in 2024 down to $2.25 million in 2025.
While the Denver metro area dropped about 1%, our neighborhoods felt it just a little bit more. So the question is why? Well, one of the reasons is discretionary timing. Sellers here don't always have to sell. So when buyers push back on pricing, many sellers simply pulled their listings rather than chasing the market down. So this wasn't a crash, it was more of a return to realistic valuations.
Trend 2, the return of negotiation. The days of waiving inspections and unconditional offers are over. In 2025, buyers in the luxury range reclaimed their leverage.
And with less competition, you were often the only party at the table. This revived the, we'll call it gentleman's agreement, allowing for premium repairs and concessions. It really became a win-win environment again, not an all-out brawl.
Trend number 3, the rate paradox. Rates dropped nearly 1% last year, yet sales volume remained sluggish. Why didn't buyers rush in?
We think it's because of the asset swap dilemma. Even with lower rates, trading a 3% mortgage rate for a 6% mortgage on a luxury home is a tough pill to swallow for most. However, we did see this lock-in effect begin to thaw as life events finally started to outweigh the interest rate conversation. Now, before we look at where 2026 is going, a quick intro.
Well, I'm Kathy, and this is Zac, and we are the Nelson team. I've been a resident of Crestmoor for over 20 years, and we've spent decades helping families navigate these specific streets.
We aren't just realtors, we're your neighbors. We track this data daily so that you can protect your equity. Now let's talk about the future. Prediction 1 for 2026, stability. We are forecasting a modest 1 to 3% appreciation for Crestmoor and Hilltop.
Why? Well, because luxury demands value. High net worth buyers are astute investors. They won't overpay in a stabilizing economy. We believe prices will tick upward, pacing slightly ahead of inflation. It's a healthy, sustainable climb.
Prediction 2. Interest rates will settle between 5.75% and 6% by the end of the year.
The volatility is ending. The gap between the 10-year Treasury and mortgage rates is shrinking. For those leveraging assets, this range provides certainty, removing the guesswork from your financial planning.
Finally, prediction 3. The turnkey premium widens. We are seeing a massive valuation divide between homes that are magazine ready and those needing updates.
Buyers in our neighborhoods value time as their ultimate currency. They will pay a significant premium to avoid a 12-month renovation. We've seen it over and over. In 2026, if your home is polished and pristine, it wins.
2026 is shaping up to be a year of balance. If you've been waiting for the right time to make a move, the data suggests a stable path ahead.
But in this market, strategy is everything. Whether you need a private valuation or just want to chat about the market, we're here.
Reach out to us at info@nelsonteam.com. Let's make your 2026 exceptional.
Bye-bye.